The rise of humanoid robots is no longer science fiction, it's happening right before our eyes. Across the globe, companies are racing to develop robots that don't just function like humans, but also look, think, and interact like us. With AI advancing at breakneck speed, humanoid robots like Tesla's Optimus and Boston Dynamics' Atlas are proving that they are capable of performing complex tasks, from factory work to customer service. But what does this mean for the future of humanity? Will robots work alongside us, or are we creating our own replacements? Imagine walking into a restaurant where humanoid robots take your order, cook your meal, and even serve it to you with a perfectly programmed smile. Or picture a world where robotic nurses provide 24/7 healthcare without fatigue. This may sound exciting, but it also raises serious concerns. What happens to millions of jobs when robots become better, faster, and cheaper than human workers? And more importantly, when will they start making their own decisions? Elon Musk and other tech leaders have warned us about the risks of AI surpassing human intelligence. Some experts believe that humanoid robots could soon integrate into every part of our daily lives, from household assistants to corporate leaders. But there's another side to this revolution. What if they don't just assist us but eventually replace us? If robots develop emotions, consciousness, and independent thinking, could they ever demand rights like humans? Many industries are already replacing humans with robots. In Japan, humanoid robots work in hotels, assisting guests with check-ins. In China, robotic factory workers are outpacing human efficiency. Even in Hollywood, AI-generated actors and virtual assistants are starting to appear in films. But this is just the beginning. Experts predict that in the next decade, robots will take over millions of jobs worldwide. Some people see this as an opportunity for humanity to focus on creativity and innovation. Others fear it's the beginning of mass unemployment and a potential robot uprising. So, should we be excited or afraid? Are humanoid robots our allies, or will they become our competition? One thing is certain, the age of AI-driven machines is here, and there's no turning back. The question is, are we ready for this future? Thank you for watching. If you found this video thought-provoking, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest in AI and robotics. See you in the next one.